Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can maintain your generator air cleaner. So very first you have to rotate this anti-clockwise to open the screw. And now open it. See, this is oily. This is too much oily. This is its filter, which is oily, and due to this oil in the filter, this generator is starting missing when we start this generator. Also, put out this, and we will clean its interior with this plastic. We will clean its interior with this cotton cloth, and we will wash this filter with soap and water. Yes friends, to clean this air filter, we will take a basket, and we have water in it, and we have liquid hand wash. We will put this liquid hand wash in this. See, we have put this liquid hand wash in this, and after doing this, we will squeeze this air filter to remove any excess of oil. See, we have squeezed it, and now we will put this in this water, in soapy water. Keep it in this soapy water for a few minutes, and then again change the water. See, this is in water. We will squeeze it to remove its oil, and we will repeat the process. After doing this, we will change the water. Again, we will use the hand wash and repeat the process until and unless this becomes free from the oil and dirt. Now friends, see, this is our filter, and we are cleaning it in fresh water like this. Squeeze it like this and let it dry for an hour or two. Depends on the weather in your city. If it's hot, it will take less time to dry. See, now we will put it in sunlight so it will become dry. Now finally, from its sides cover, we will remove any dirt. We will clean this. After cleaning this, we will also see, this is oil. We will also clean this oil. Friends, if you want to dry this soft sponge, which is air cleaner of the generator, very early, so you have to do like this. This will put water outside and it will dry. So friends, after 2 hours, this is now completely dry, and I will show you how to install this. See, this is the shape. So friends, before inserting this, install this. This is the shape. Now see this shape, put it inside. Now see, these are the grips. Put these grips which are located upper side. Now close it, use its, and now tight it. This is how, friends, you can maintain air cleaner of your generator. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and this video. Bye for now.